Are you living up to your clients' expectations? At the Ritz-Carlton, they allow every single one of their employees to spend up to $2,000 every single day to provide their guests with an incredible experience. There's a story told of one day a guest coming back from a run on a hot day, and when the concierge sees them coming, he runs inside and grabs a bottle of water for the guest. The guest says, "Thank you very much, but do you have any soda?" So he runs in, grabs a soda, and hands it to the guest. Day 2, same guest, same concierge. The concierge sees him coming and understands this is the guest that likes soda. But today, when he approaches the door, he says, "You know what, thank you for the soda, but do you have any water today?" On day 3, the same guest is approaching the door when the same concierge sees him. And can you guess what he does? That's right. He grabs a soda in one hand and a water in the other and asks, "What do you prefer?" How do you think this guest feels about his stay at the Ritz?